Hey, so number one thing you need to do to become the best, real good jeweler is to use compass, to use one tool, which is compass. This is it. I'm gonna demonstrate this tool, how you can make really great demonstrating. First thing first, we're gonna clean the file because there's a lot of residual wax in here. And then you just, this is good. And then we're gonna make a square face part of the ring, which is where you set diamonds and then you put the center stone and everything, right? Number one is we're gonna have this nice L, like that, nice L. And then when we have that, we're gonna take the compass, we're gonna measure. We're gonna measure the distance here, and we're gonna put a nice, beautiful line correlating with this other outside line, and then we'll put another line. We have a square, right? So next thing we want to do is we want to design where the diamond's gonna go, like that, and that. That's approximate 1.5 millimeter wide. We're gonna do another 1.5 here, another 1.5 here. So if you guys start using this, you're gonna start making really, really good, nice, even looking pieces. So here we go. So next thing, what I want to do is I want to get my bead and start putting a Alright, so I'm gonna take this and put a nice good hole right in the middle, like that. Okay, and then I wanna just like shave off some excess wax. Take your time, be patient. This needs a little bit hand coordination required. Alright, right after I do the best that I could do, done with this, next I'm going to use my special knife, carving knife. If you guys haven't seen this video, you should go watch. I'll be putting a link right there so you guys can go watch this, how to make this knife. This is handmade special knife where you can do detail work with this. So I'm going to continue like that, shave until I come close to the line, like that. Alright, make nice corner. And then I'll continue the number 2 corner. That was number 1 corner. We have 4 corners to go. Alright, I have 1 more corner to go. Number 4. There we go. Making and creating nice corner. Okay, so this is about 1 carat size stone. So next, what we want to do is we're going to get the saw blade and we want to cut this nice straight line like that. This and like this. So here we go. Okay, so after After we cut it, we're gonna come back, we're gonna use the file to go nice, beautiful, straight line, like that. Just make sure this is all like nice and beautiful and straight, like that. Like that. Pay attention to the thickness. You can use a measuring tool, or when you've been doing this for 35 years, you kind of can tell this by eye, until I get to a point where I could use a measuring, so I can measure the width of this. There we go. I'm going to be measuring, which is, this is 23, 2.3 millimeter, which is, this is 2.1, this is 2.1, 2.1. So this side is a little bit thicker. All I have to do is just file it, just one more pass and pass, and that's it. So here we go. So now you can take this. What you can do is you can get a band and put over it and turn it into a ring, which is something like this, a band like this, right? You can get this, and then you can put this on top like that, turn it into nice ring, and then you can do pave setting there. You can put 4 prongs, put a square stone in there, and then a band, and like that. This is how you make this square piece really nice. So yeah, this is how you do it when you want to make something like really good straight line and square looking. You have to use compass. So this is your tool to make things really sharp, straight lines, and like keep everything together. If you're doing 2 parts, you can use compass to measure one part and then do another line and that kind of deal, right? So this is the best tool you can use for wax designing jewelry work. And please leave comment down below if you guys. So using this one tool, it's gonna change everything about how good you do wax designing. So this one tool is the best thing to have in your toolbox when you're working on a jewelry wax designing. So wax designing with this one tool, it will make it perfect. Tools are perfection. Remember that. Use tools like this and you'll have a lot better result on doing jewelry wax designing.